I'm Tanya.
I'm Derek. We're Life Voyages. This channel is solely designed to get people out, travel, go see things, do it, baby.
With disabilities.
With disabilities. A lot of times, folks with disabilities feel like they have no options. They feel like they're stuck at home, and we're going to prove that wrong.
Exactly. Derek's more obvious. You saw the power chair. He's also got a regular manual chair. But my situation's more hidden. Stop it. I'm not disabled because of that. I had to retire early from my nursing career due to some neurological issues. So that hidden disabilities are part of the channel as well. Anyway, for a second there, I forgot what we're doing. That's why you're going. Anyway, we do this community tab post because guess why? It kind of is self-explanatory.
Because we don't have a community tab.
Not yet.
We've got 900 subscribers. We don't have the 1,000.
But we're closer. We're closer. Getting closer every day. We had over 900 and we dipped a little, but we're on the rebound. Just kidding. We'll get some more coming up. Anyway, our live streams are on Wednesday at 4 p.m., 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific.
7 Eastern, 6 Central.
Whatever.
5 Mountain.
Okay, we don't need to... Okay, enough.
If you're in Guam...
Oh my God, you're taking up the entire video
I'm sorry.
Anyway... We are going to have a little bit different format to our live streams. It's been a lot of just chit-chatting with you guys, which we love, and getting to know you guys and stuff. Yep. And just, relaxing, having a beer, cocktail, or soda, whatever you guys want. That's what we normally do. But we're going to have a couple of new additions to that. One is a new game we introduced last week that was really fun. If you play the game... You get your name. You'll possibly win something on our wheel.
I like the wheel.
This is Derek's favorite wheel. And we have a bunch of new prizes on it.
And there's some. They're wheelie good prizes.
Get it, wheelie? Anyway, we got there's that associated with that new game. And then, but the really cool part is the next section at the end of the live stream.
Minute marketing.
We are doing a new game called Minute Marketing.
Minute Marketing. We're going to drop the link and give you the opportunity to pop up and promote, market, sell your favorite channel, your charity, your cause, event, whatever you got. 1 minute. 1 minute. Plan it. Make it good. Concise. To the point.
And then after your minute, we'll drop you down and discuss a little, and then we'll bring the next person up.
And then we'll go right to the next one.
And we're going to get as many people as we can in, probably about 5 every live stream.
Yeah, I think so. 4 to 5. Try to get 4 to 5 in, maybe 6, depending on how they go.
Anyway, it's going to be a fun time on our live streams. It's always a good time, but we're adding some more fun, extra fun. So, be there or be square.
Fun is good. Fun is good.
Corny, be there or be square. Remember that in the 80s?
No, I don't remember that. It's before my time.
Video premiere. We got a video premiering on Friday. We're going to be in the raid parade sometime. We don't know yet. So click that bell to all to make sure you get notified.
Yep.
But we will be premiering a video on Friday with the others, and it'll be a parade of different people's videos.
One after the other.
One after the other. So we hope you guys can participate in all the videos in the raid parade.
Sweet.
So that's coming up. We cannot thank you guys enough for watching this video all the way to the end. Also hitting that like button, commenting, making sure you're subscribed to the channel, because all of that helps our analytics and keeps YouTube recommending us to other people, which helps our channel grow. So thank you for doing all those things. We appreciate
Thank you,
it
Easter
so
Bunny.
much. We appreciate you. Why were you doing that? Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Because it's almost Easter.
Okay.
And there's a Cadbury commercial, the Cadbury egg commercial where it goes, "Thank you, Easter Bunny. Bok, bok."
Okay. Alrighty then. I guess.
I don't know. It sounded funny in my head.
Next week we have a bunch of stuff planned for you guys wrapped around our anniversary. 5 years. And he got married in this very chair, standing in Laughlin.
Yep. And she hit the life lottery.
So we're hoping to go back there and hit another life lottery with some moolah. But we have a great trip planned that we're going to film, and it's going to be cool. There's a lot of accessibility things built in there that we're going to show.
Hopefully get some live video of us at the blackjack table, at the craps table.
We'll see about that. Anyway, we definitely having our live stream on St. Patty's Day. Probably in somewhere in the casino, somewhere, probably drinking green beer. Who knows? But we'll
lots of green beer
having our live stream there. Okay, for next week. So that trip's going to be amazing. Probably a few surprise guests thrown in there. So that'll be awesome. And then
George Clooney?
No, it won't be George Clooney. Anyway, that we can't.
Jennifer Aniston?
No, okay, we can't. You wish, I know. We cannot thank you guys enough for all of your support. And remember, when life throws you a curve,
just roll with it.
Just roll. I feel like I'm a big girl now. My feet aren't touching, but I feel tall because I'm taller than you. And oh, now you're gonna get bigger. Oh, geez. Okay, that's enough. Not that far. You're going to get out of the frame. Get back in the frame. He's having too much fun with his power chair today, obviously. Okay, so hello, YouTube. Seriously, you just did that? Nobody wants to see that. They're going to run away now. You're going to scare up all the subscribers. Oh my gosh, this is what I live with. Constant. On the constant. Anyway, on that note, I'm Tanya.
I'm Derek. We're Van Life Voyages.
And new prizes. This is why I have the wheel right here. Derek's favorite wheel. Our old-fashioned old school.
I like the wheel a lot.
He loves this old wheel. Old school wheel.
I like the wheel a lot.
There's a lot of good prizes on it, new prizes on it. So it's been revamped. So if you play the new game, you can win a prize. And then after that, we have 10 minutes to do what we call minute marketing. What is minute marketing, Derek?
Minute marketing! Oh. So this is what we're going to do, man. We're going to drop the link, and anyone who wants to come up
can pimp out your channel.
Pimp your channel. Pimp a charitable cause. Someone who's done you right. Something positive. And we will give you 60 seconds to drop as big of
whatever promotion you want. I don't know what you're...
I'm having a hard time thinking of the words.
We're going to cut that for sure.
All right.
It's okay. Yeah, you can push out whatever.
Stop a sec. Stop.
Okay. So what are you doing?
My face.
Nobody wants to see that.
How are you?
Anyway. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. We hope to see you on Wednesday for our live stream and Friday at our video premiere. Until next time, remember, just roll with it.